Winter brings a lot of fresh green peas, and this makes me lean onto them for some ultimate winter recipes. Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani and welcome to Rajshri Food, your ultimate destination for 100% vegetarian recipes. And today, I'm going to be making the classic Dry Aloo Matar recipe. I'm going to start with dicing 3 medium potatoes into half-inch cubes. A good knife is your best friend in the kitchen. If you're dicing the potatoes ahead of time, then you can always soak them in water so that they don't change color. Potatoes are done, and now I'm going to turn on the flame to saute these. In this episode, I'm going to be giving a shout out to one of the viewers whose answer I found the most interesting. So stay tuned till the end. Into this, I'm going to heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now goes in 2 green chilies that I've just slit in the center. And next I'm going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. When you add any kind of dry spice in the oil, make sure the flame is on low. I'm also going to add in the diced potatoes. Toss them together. The reason why I added the turmeric powder in raw potatoes is because potatoes tend to get slightly sticky. So when you add turmeric powder, it prevents from it to stick to each other. And now into this, I'm going to add in green peas. So I've taken 1 cup of green peas. Also salt to taste. Toss this together. The colors look so beautiful and fresh. And now on low heat, I'm going to cover this and let it cook for 2 minutes. Two minutes are up. The vegetables have been cooking in oil, and now into this, I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of water. Cover and let these cook till the vegetables are done. Here's an interesting piece of information. I actually know of people who would sieve the green peas and collect equal size of peas to make the vegetables. That's how far and that's how particular people are using their seasonal vegetables. Seasonal vegetables and seasonal recipes surely have their own charm. Let's check on this now. Just poke a knife or a spoon, and if it goes through easily, that means your potatoes are done. And now into this, I'm going to add in all the remaining masalas. So there is coriander and cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of amchur or raw mango powder. If you don't have this, you can always add a few drops of lemon juice. Just a very small quantity or 1/8 teaspoon of Garam Masala. I don't like to use Garam Masala in everyday sabzis or lunch recipes. And a handful of coriander leaves. I'm sure most of y'all might be making simple recipes like that at home every day. But the most important thing is the proportions. So if you get that right, you are going to have consistent and tasty food every day. This is done. Let's turn off the flame. While this dry aloo matar is going to go perfectly with your dal rice roti combination, if you would like to try the gravy version, do check my recipe link in the description box below. This makes a good lunch recipe Also actually an anytime recipe. I can eat potatoes and green peas anytime. Though this can be enjoyed any time of the year, but cook it this winter with fresh green peas. Cook delicious and enjoy your winters with Rajshri food. Stay tuned for more such recipes and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. In my episode of Lasuni Corn Palak, I had asked the viewers which is that seasonal vegetable or fruit that you store and how. I would like to give a special mention to Sai Priya Chitti Mala here, who revealed how she stores fresh raw mangoes from the season. She shared how she marinates raw mangoes in salt and turmeric and dries it out in the sun and then uses it in pickles and dals. Well, that's surely a smart tip. Dry Aloo Mutter takes me back to my childhood when my mom used to pack it with some parathas. What is that lunchbox recipe that transports you to your childhood? Do let me know and share your memories in the comment section below.